We just finished up this beautiful master bathroom, so come on in with me. I want to show you some cool things. First thing we did over here is we took out a small shower and a large linen closet and made one giant shower for them. This shower also includes frameless heavy glass, chrome fixtures, a rain shower, and shower head with removable handheld. So now they can clean this whole shower down when they're done, hang it back up on the wall, good to go. There's also a giant seat inside of here, so they can also sit down here, shave their legs, do whatever they need to do in here, and have plenty of space. The floor is this really cool chevron pattern made out of porcelain tile, so it's totally maintenance free. Another section that I think is really nice is we took out a large unused tub in this area and created another storage area with a huge countertop, so they have lots of place to spread their things out and organize their things during the day. The last portion of this bathroom is this beautiful midnight blue vanity. This vanity includes a quartz countertop with 2 undermount bowls and these great new medicine cabinets from Kohler. They're totally mirrored inside and out, so you get complete light and complete storage. So, Tori from Interior Trend, let me show you the right way to renovate.